In this video, I am going to show you a quickest way to make money by using Google Translate. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything right after watching this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button before watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, open the Google Translate. That will be the step 1. So in step 2, search for CPA grip. Now in case if you don't know how Google Translate works, then maybe your if there are some language like Spanish or African and you don't understand that thing, then you can simply copy that language and paste it at here and it will translate to English. You can choose the language, any language from here, okay, and you will be able to get it in English at here. So this is this much simple, okay. Google Translate is no complicated. So now second thing you need to do is search for CPA grip and then click on this link. Just click on it. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now this is a platform which will give you lots of offer where people just need to put their email address, and for that you will get paid a pre-decided amount of commission, and this is a genuine platform. You can do your research. So simply type CPA grip on Google and visit to this site and click on register. Follow the step-by-step instruction and within 2 minutes you will be able to create account on CPA grip. Once you create your account on CPA grip, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and don't forget to information by clicking on this account setting and do choose your payment method. In case of payment, I'll show you. You just need to click on here, you just click at this payment center and then click on here, and you can see you can receive your funds in Payoneer or PayPal, wherever you want, okay. You just need to earn minimum $50 and you will be able to withdraw that fund to your PayPal, Payoneer or whatever you would like. That is available at here, okay. So as you can see here in the screen, lots of people are earning like 38,000, 43,000, 55,000. And in case if you don't know how to fill out this tax form, then you can simply type another YouTube tutorial on how you can fill out the tax form according to your country. It is extremely simple, okay. It will take you like 5 to 10 minutes to fill that tax form. It is really that simple. Okay, once you have done everything, then just click on this offer tools, okay, and you will see this kind of interface. Now just select Spain, country name is Spain, okay, and then in category select email zip submit. So this means you're only going to promote those kind of offers that people just need to submit their email address and you will be making money. And then you will start to see lots of offers that are eligible to be promoted on Spain, and you will get paid $1.25 for each sign up from the people who are in Spain, okay. So once you come up to here, just click on any of the offer that you want to promote, just click on it. Now you will not understand what this is written because maybe you are not from Spain. So lots of people do this kind of things in United States or English speaking countries, okay, but lots of people ignore Spain, France, this kind of countries. So that's why we are going to target those countries. Now just copy this text, copy it, put it on here, and it will automatically detect the language and it will translate in English for you. So here you can see Spanish detected, English. Claim your iPhone 14 Pro now, okay. Similarly, what is this text? Let's copy it and paste it at here to know what it is. Enter your mobile phone number now for a chance to win. So as you can see here, I was saying people need to submit their email address, but instead of that, people need to submit their mobile number, okay, according to this text, and that's not a problem, okay. You can easily promote it, and I'm also going to show you where you can promote this. So guys, if you are liking what you are learning right now, then please do smash that like button, okay, because it will help me a lot, and I'll bring more this kind of video that will help you to make money online in future too. So now once you have understood that this offer is related to promoting in Spain and people need to submit their mobile phone number. So now what you need to do is you need to select the domain, okay, whichever is new, there is, you can select any of these new, okay, and then copy link. And then once you do this much, then what you need to do is simply type on Google bit.ly, okay, and then click on this link. Once you click on this link, you will see this kind of interface. No need to sign up, just scroll below and you will see this thing at here. Just paste your link at here and click on sort in, and you will get the short version of your affiliate link, okay. So now whenever any person from Spain clicks on it and submit their mobile number, then you are going to get paid that pre-decided amount, okay. Now just copy this shortened link and paste it in somewhere so that you can use it later. Now just go on Google and search for traffic ad bar, okay, and click on this link. As you can see here, traffic ad bar, free advertising traffic exchange. You just click on it and you will visit to this interface. And as you can see the text on the home page, consumer warning will deliver up to 1022 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. So it means they will literally send 1022 people to your affiliate link for absolutely free. So just simply click on the sign up and follow the step-by-step instruction and create your account on traffic ad bar. So simply click on sign up and you will see this kind of interface. Put your first name at here, whatever it is, and put your email address that you can log in and verify if they send you some link to verify your email address. Once you have done this much, simply click on join. So as you can see, they have sent me an email to verify my account. So now let's go to my email and see from traffic ad bar, verify your traffic ad bar account. Click here to verify your email address. Just click on it. So it is saying verification link accepted. So now you need to click on next. So now just put your last name at here and select your gender, whatever it is. Now you need to create your password at here. Put a password that you can remember and then click on next. Now you need to create your username, okay. So just create a username that you like, and here you can see the instruction from A to Z and 6 character long. So I think this username is good fit, so just click on check username. So now let's save my username and password at here. Now everything is fine, so just click on create account. So now just click on OK. Just select any, click on save and then click on OK. Okay, so now the real game starts from here. Now you need to put the affiliate link, okay, at here. So just go to bit.ly and copy that certain link at here and then come here and paste it at here, okay, in this way. And then click on add a website. Now you'll see this kind of interface and you need to put your title at here. So just delete whatever is at here, okay, and then go to your CPA grip account and this is going to be your title. So just copy it, okay, copy it, go to Google Translate, and if you are confused what is written at here, claim your iPhone now, okay, it seems fine, okay. You can put some dot if possible. So let's try to put dot at here. That may seem fine, so let's copy it and then again go to our traffic ad bar and paste our title in this way at here, okay. Similarly for ad line 1, you can again go to your CPA grip account and then copy whatever it is written at here, okay, whatever is written at here, and then paste it at here. Paste it at here if you are confused, okay. And one mistake I have did, so sorry for this. Claim your iPhone 14, this is not going to be at here, okay, instead this is going to be at there because we are going to promote it in Spain. I'm extremely sorry for that. And guys, if you have not liked this video, please do like this video, okay. So just put this thing at here and then in description you again go to CPA grip, copy this whatever it is and check whatever is written at here, okay. Just check it in English. Let me delete it, paste it. So again the same thing came. So wait a minute, let's go to CPA grip and copy this and then go to Google Translate and cut it out and paste this thing. Enter your mobile phone number now to now for a chance to win. That's fine. So copy it again and then go to traffic ad bar and then paste that ad headline in this way. Okay, so you can divide this headline and put this headline at here also, sorry, this ad line at here, and make it in two part. Okay, and paste it. So as you can see, up to mobile it is not written nicely, so only up to this much it is written. So I can go here and from that part just okay, let's go into CPA grip and from here copy other thing and then paste it in airline 2. Okay, in this way you can do it. So if something is missing, make it nice by seeing in Google Translate what it is. Okay, so that is your job. Once you do this much, then just select the country, what is the language of your ad. So just type Spanish. Okay, select it, scroll below and ignore this part, scroll below and you'll see here the country. So just select country and type Spain so that you can advertise your link only on Spain. Okay, so that Spanish people will submit their mobile phone number and you'll make commission in CPA group. So now you can set this up according to your need or leave it as it is, and then just click on save. Now that's it guys, now you are going to get the promised views to your affiliate link. Okay, so if you want to advertise more for free with traffic ad bar in certain countries like Spain, France, and use Google Translate to translate and understand what the offer is actually about, then you can use this exact process that I have shown you. And if one offer doesn't convert, then don't just be sad and quit. Okay, just give it a try to another country with another offer, and you can read all of these things to understand how you can advertise more for free, or even if you want to promote by paying some money in traffic ad bar, then you can do it too. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, if let's say in your country by mistakenly traffic ad bar is not available, or at the time you're watching this video a traffic ad bar is not available, then in that case what I would suggest you to do is just search on Google traffic ad bar alternative. Just scroll below, these are some of the ads from Google, and you can see top 10 traffic ad bar competitors, top 71 similar websites like traffic ad bar. You can use these websites to promote your affiliate link. Okay, of course not all of the websites are going to be like traffic ad bar, but most of them are going to be extremely helpful for you. Lastly, if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section below, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.